using mail merge. Class 6. Computer. In business, or in any office matters, it is often required to send letters with similar information to different people. The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So, changing the address each time would very long process and wastage of time and effort. The mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. It saves our time and energy to send letters at multiple addresses. Data source. Data source consists of the mailing lists. For example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field names. The data source is associated with the main document, and it becomes very easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Main document. It contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Merge field. It is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc. which instructs Microsoft Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. Mail merge involves 3 basic steps: creating the main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document. Creating a mail merge document. Create a new document and type a letter. Or open an existing letters in Microsoft Word that you want to send to different people at their addresses. Click on the Mailing tab. In the Start Mail Merge group, click on the Start Mail Merge drop-down menu, and select the Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard option. The Mail Merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window. Now select Letters Radio button. Click on the Next, Starting Document, under Step 1 of 6 sections. Click the Use of the Current Document Radio button. Now, click the Next Select Recipient. This is Step 2 of 6 sections. Creating a recipient list. To create a new mailing list, in the Mail Merge task pane, select the Type New List radio button and click OK on Create option. The new address list dialog box appears on the screen. Click on the Customize Columns button to add or remove fields. Enter data in respective fields, and click on the New Entry option. Enter 3 records of your friends or relatives. You will get the Save Address List dialog box. Specify a name in file name and click on the Save button. Mail Merge Recipient dialog box will appear. To change any details, you can click on Edit option. Note that, by default, tick marks are placed on the checkboxes next to the data source field. It gives an indication that the records are selected. Now click on the Next Write Your Letter wizard, under the step number 3. Inserting merge fields. On the Mailing tab, click on the Insert Merge Field button in the right and insert field group. The Insert Field Group dialog box appears, with a list of field names you have created. Click on the field name that you intend to add, and then click on the Insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document. Click on the Close button. You will notice the selected field names will appear in your document one after another. Horizontally separate field names by pressing the Enter key. Viewing the merged data. You can check whether Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merged fields or not, by viewing it on the screen. Click on the Preview Results button in the Preview Results group on the Mailing tab. Or click the Next Preview Your Letters under the step 4 of 6. The first record will be displayed. Click on the Next Record button to view the next record in the data source. Printing your letters. You can take printouts of your letter with the merged data of your data source. Click on the Finish and Merge button in the Finish group on the Mailing tab. Select the Print Documents option from the drop-down menu. The Merge to Printer dialog box will appear. Define the desired print settings and click OK. The selected records will be printed separately along with the letter. Recap. Mail merge feature is used to send letters with similar information to a number of people at different addresses. Mail merge feature combines two documents. One is the main document and the other is the data source, which is associated with the main document. Main document contains the text you wish to send to all the recipients. Data source consists of mailing list for X, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.